For those asking for more affordable boats, this 22-foot-long, 8.5-foot-wide pontoon boat, designed with sleek fiberglass railings and a sporty modern style. Even when the water changes, the ride stays controlled and steady. You can focus on enjoying the moment. Step inside and everything is built for real use. Wide seating areas, comfortable layout, open space for movement. It adapts to every situation with built-in ambient LED lighting that sets the perfect mood on the water. Whether it's a weekend lake trip, fishing with friends, family gatherings, or a quiet sunset cruise, the experience always feels effortless and smooth. The removable tables give you flexibility when you need it. The built-in storage keeps everything clean and out of the way. With space for up to 10 people, it's made for sharing moments. Sunsets, good conversations, time that really matters. Certified CE quality ensures it meets strict standards for safety and reliability. With multiple sizes and customization options available, it's designed to match your way of living. Want to learn more? Send me a message and let's chat. We are Allsea Boats. With years of boat building expertise, we create reliable and customizable pontoon boats that are built to last and enjoyed.